daily nowadays, so I'm not going to ask more of this. Okay. Okay, Bhavesh. Okay. మీరు ఎట్లా కూడా అడగరు కదా హౌ ఆర్ యు టీచర్ అని, అందుకే నేనే అడుగుతాను. This is your English class. You are all children of class 5. Today's date is 19. What did we discuss in yesterday's class? What did we discuss in yesterday's class? We discussed how to magnify a movement. Okay, we discussed about how to magnify a movement. Magnify the movement. So, what is magnifying? Magnifying meaning itself is making the small, very small things look bigger. So, now we are magnifying a movement here. Means what it means? How to observe the things in deep and talk about it. That is only called as magnifying a movement. Okay, children? So, this we discussed yesterday. So, how to magnify a movement? We use our 5 sense organs to magnify the movement. Yes? That's why yesterday so many members did not listen to the class properly. In the worksheet, that's why I gave you the example already. Yes? So, I will explain the example once again for you. Okay. So, how to magnify any particular movement, any particular incident. If we take some Chakravarti investigate story. Suppose there is a story which we already discussed, that is Chakravarti investigates. Right, children? So, in Chakravarti investigates, what happens? Suppose if we take one scene. Chakravarti looks through the binoculars to the little girl, right? Chakravarti looked through the binoculars to the little girl. So, if this is the moment you think, we want to magnify it. Okay. So, how to magnify this sentence? Chakravarti looked through the binoculars. How? 5 senses. How to magnify it? We need to use the 5 senses. First one, see. Looking. What did he see? He looked through the binoculars. Correct? Second one, hear. He heard the crowd sound. Yes or no? He heard the sound of the crowd. Third, smell. block. With this, we completed the block, children. We completed block 2. Okay. With this, we completed block 2. So, if any doubts you have in simple present tense, simple past tense, or simple past tense and past continuous tense, as well as magnifying the movement, describing an event, you can ask me. Because with today we completed our block 2. You will get the notes. Okay. What doubt you have, Havisham?
Ma'am, transition means separating words.
Transition words are nothing but, that is nothing, children. In every stage, in first class, those words are called as order words. Okay. In first and second classes, those words are called as order words. Because if I use first only transition words, first class children will understand. No. First children will understand. No. That's why in that level they use the word order, so that children will understand what is the order. Okay. Next, in third class, what did they say in third and fourth classes? They use the word sequencing. First they use order. Second, in third and fourth class they use sequencing. Sequencing words, sequence words. Okay. These two are same. Actually, these two are same. Okay. Order words and sequence words are same. What are they? First, then, next, after that, finally. Okay. Understood?
But so
That I will tell you. So, for this, so first and second and third and fourth, they gave you those words only. In fifth class, because you became little bigger, yes, your class also became one step bigger. So they have added some more and they changed the name. What is it? Transition. It is one more word which you should learn new word. So transition words are also same as order and sequencing words. So along with first, then, next, after that, finally, they gave you some more words. Okay. Because fifth class onwards, you should write what you should write? Big paragraphs. That's why you need to learn many transition words which will help you to complete the paragraph. Okay, children, good question, Amisha. I will explain you the transition words. So, I will tell you the extra transition words which you should learn. Other than first, then, next. Okay. First, then, after that, I'm just writing and not writing in order. So these are the words you already know. Yes? These are the words you already know. So which are the words introduced in fifth class? The fifth class are introduced is the words, maybe new words, new transition words are meanwhile. Meanwhile. What is the word, children? Meanwhile. After a short time. After a short time. This is a phrase. These are called as phrase. Because it is a very small sentence type. Okay. After a short time. Okay, it is a phrase. It is only one word. It is a transition word. Okay, children? Understanding? Next. Soon. Transition word. They are just words, okay? So next, shortly. So with the help of these translation words, you can write the paragraph still more bigger and more clear. Okay. How? Meanwhile. What is the meaning of meanwhile? You'll say, ila undi, ila jarigindi. Yes. You will say, you will be talking, and you will say, ila jarigute బాగుండేది అదలా అయిపోయింది. Yes. You will use in Telugu few words which we cannot say in English. అదలా ఉంచేసే అంటాం. అదలా ఉంచేసే in English లో ఏమనాలి మరి? Meanwhile. Okay. So how, for example, in English, you all of you open your notebooks. Meanwhile, I will write notes on the board. Understood? Understood the sentence? I will repeat once again. All of you open your books. Meanwhile, I will write the notes on the board. So ఇక్కడ నేను ఏం చెప్తున్నాను? మీరు అందరూ బుక్స్ ఓపెన్ చేయండి. అప్పటి లోపు నేను ఏం చేస్తాను? బోర్డు మీద నోట్స్ రాస్తాను అని చెప్తున్నాను. Yes? So I use this meanwhile word like that. It will be helpful for you to use in the paragraph. After a short time, it is very useful phrase in a paragraph. When you are writing any stories, any sentences, you will tell. I suppose trip only. నేను ట్రిప్ గురించి కదా రాయమని చెప్పింది. Yes or no? Am I going fast, children? Am I going fast? Okay. If I go fast, you can tell me. I'll slow up. Okay. So when you are writing for a trip, when I gave you so many times homework, write about your trip. Recently also I gave write about your favorite trip in past tense. In that also you can use. I went to a place. It was very wonderful. I played and enjoyed. Meanwhile, when I was playing, my parents went to buy food for us. After a short time, my parents came back and gave the food. Understood? This all will be useful. Soon we ate the food and went to the play area, otherwise swimming area. Okay. Very shortly, my parents called us back. Understood? So these words are very, very helpful. Shortly ante chala takku time lo. Okay. Okay, children. You have to bring this homework very shortly. So in this way, these transition words are helpful for you. Okay, children. Okay. Any other doubts you have? Any doubts? Cleared about transition words? In block 2, all the doubts are cleared. Block 2 లో మనకి ఏమేం టాపిక్స్ జరిగాయి? Simple, past tense and past continuous tense. Magnifying the moment, describing an event in past tense. Describing an event in past tense అంటే ఏదైనా ఒక ఇన్సిడెంట్, ఏదైనా ఒక వర్క్, ఎనీథింగ్. Write in past tense. So you learn how to write the sentences in past tense. Describe. Yes? So this is what you learned. And at last we concluded and you came to know this transition words. Extra words are this. This you already know. You learned new transition words. Meanwhile. Okay, Bhavish is ready. First question. To find out the sentence is in which tense, what we should check? To find out the sentence is in which tense, what we should find out, what we should check? Bhavish. Verb. Correct. Verb. You should find out the verb. Okay. In present tense, what does the verbs have? In present tense, what does the verbs have? Havisha, don't sit, simply answer to the questions. In present tense, to the verbs, what should be there? What? I cannot hear it clearly. Say loudly. No, Bhavish. Present tense.
SNES.
Correct. In present tense, the verbs will have S and ES. Correct. Even if S and ES is not there, only the action word is there, then also the sentence is in present tense only. Okay, children? Note that point. Okay. Verb single jump. J-U-M-P, jump is a verb. It is not having yes or yes. Still it is in simple present tense. Okay, children? Understood? Yes or yes? Unte kuda present tense lone unnattu. Even if only the verb is there, then also it is simple present tense only. Okay? Now question comes to continuous tense. How to find out the sentence is in continuous tense? Continuous tense. How to find out sentence is in continuous tense? What? Ing form, correct. Continuous tense antene ing form. So ing unte verb ki, it is in continuous tense. How to say sentence is in simple past tense? Simple past tense ఉందని ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తారు? How? Simple past tense. What, Bhavesh? ED. దేనికి ఉండాలి ED? For what? Only ED? That's what. Verb కు only ED ఉంటే సరిపోతుందా? అంతా past tense లో ఉన్నట్ట, simple past tense లో? Correct only you say. Don't worry. Havisha, complete the answer.
Regular, ma'am.
Regular verb. Yeah, regular verb is ED verb. That's all. Simple past tense లో ఉందని find out చేయడానికి only regular verb సరిపోతుందా?
And irregular.
And irregular verb also. If the verb is regular or irregular, regular, then the sentence is in simple past tense. Okay. Regular means ed, irregular means changing its form. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
How you will say sentence is in past continuous? Sentence past continuous tense lo undani ela cheptaru. 1 second children. I want to ask this other sleeping children. Okay children, then I will send the notes today for you. Block 2 note and slip test will be there on Saturday. Okay. Slip test will be there on Saturday on topics. Simple present tense. Sorry, simple past tense. No, in block simple past tense. Simple past tense and past continuous as well as describing an event. Okay, children? I'm telling the portion. Block 2 test to be on Saturday. Okay.
Okay.
Slip test is there on Saturday. Okay.
Ma'am.
So slip test will be there on block 2. I will send you the notes today of simple past tense and past continuous tense. Okay, children?
Ma'am, please send the homework.
Homework, yeah. I will send the notes only as a homework for today. You keep practicing, okay? I will send a worksheet on past tense also, okay?
Okay, ma'am.